Hi guys, today we are taking a look at the Brian's Botanicals website because there was an auction of the Colocasia Redemption, a hybrid from Brian's Botanical. It's, as you can see, the foliage, it's jet black as described, and it has some ripply effect on the leaf and has a bright neon pink on the midrib and the veins and the sinus as well. This was selected from thousands of his hybrid at 2016, I think, and yeah, it's one of the thousands hybrid he produced, and he chose this one. I would say it is quite similar to the Psylocke in Thailand, and the bidding was the winner was sold at 1200, yeah, that price. And this is the baby plant. It's the leaf isn't that dark yet because I guess it was winter and there's not much sunlight. And there you can start to see the midrib, the pink in the midrib is showing. The bidder, the winner, will get the certificate from Brian's Botanical as well. Well, the fully grown plant will be about 4 to 6 feet tall, so it is quite the same size as the Psylocke, the Phoenix that we have here in Thailand, Queen of Phoenix. Quite similar size. Yeah, it's a clumping plant. So unlike my Queen of Phoenix, has runner and also grown baby as a clump. The reason I brought this up is because I think Mr. Brian also post this on one of Thailand's page, Colocasia page, so people were psyched about it. And yeah, so it's like bringing back the Colocasia boom that kind of like dialed down a bit over here in Thailand now. The price getting lower than last year. So this is another chop. Maybe Colocasia will boom again. And that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching.